can look at office buildings from a very broad perspective, but when you look below the surface, we know there's some older office buildings, call them B and C buildings. There's been lots of discussion about potentially repurposing those buildings because we have a shortage of housing. We've got B and C buildings in the office sector nobody wants. How do you think that evolves?
We're Toronto-centric. Over 80% of our office buildings are in Toronto. In Toronto, you have to replace the office space. If you tear down an office building, you have to replace it. In Calgary,
with a new office building?
That office space. In Calgary, they want to see the office building become residential, and they'll give you a financial incentive. So I think Toronto is being very thoughtful about it. I think everybody knows we're going to get to a point where there's no reason to preserve office space out of principle, and we definitely need housing. So that's coming, and I think that'll be very good because it'll reduce the excess supply of office and it will increase the provision of apartments. So that'll be great.